Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaurix Lab. Today I am going to show you how to build a fully functional music player app in Android Studio using Java and Kotlin. This app will have all essential features like play, pause, resume, a stop, previous and next song navigation, autoplay next song, shuffle and repeat mode, music timeline, a scroll bar, background and notification control. Now let's see how to make and set up a Android Studio file structure to make music player. Open the Android Studio. Click on the new project. There is a lots of option. There you can see empty activity. Click on it and click on next. There is the options like put your app name. So I will put like music player. Now click on this. It will take some time to finish the structure. The background task has been completed. So now let's set up the device. Click on your device manager. There you can see the Pixel 5. I have already created the virtual device. If you don't know how to create virtual device, then comment down. I will make a special video on that. So click on it. Click on it and add Pixel 5 API. Yes, you can see the device is ready. So now let's the project. Now let's comment down what it will show. The Gradle build has been finished. Now it is going to install the APK in the virtual device and then it will show the output. Yeah, there you can see install successfully finished. So now the app will launch. Now tell in the comment guys what will be the output of this APK. Yes, here you can see it is showing hello bird. Yes, because we have set up just now. That's why it is showing the hello bird. So now let's go on the AI code editor to set up the code. Let's go on the AI code editor to generate the music player APK. Now let's start the cursor here. You can see the cursor here. It is getting open. Yes, it has been opened. So just import that music player file in the cursor here. Yes, there you can see this is the interface. There is the option to put your prompt here to make the music player app. So I have already a prompt. This is the prompt which I am going to put inside that. So let's copy that prompt. Now let's go on the cursor and paste the prompt here, and then this option should be on async and choose the cloud 3.7 sonnet because it is best one, and then click on send. So it will start to generate it and it will take some time. So till now I would like to remember, please like, subscribe and share the video. So our code is generated for the AI code editor guys. So now we will click on accept or do let's say the all code switch it is generated. Yeah, so it is. So now let's go on the Android Studio. You can see click on the home button. Yeah, now let's click on the main menu. Scroll down in file section and here you can see sync project with Gradle file. Click on it. This is the first step to run your code in the virtual device. So you have to repeat again and next. So just remember that the process. First click on the build Gradle file. Okay. Then second one go on the build section and then click on the clean process. And then third one is run, which is I'm going to show you next. So finally our file is successfully synced with the Gradle. So now go in the main menu, go in the build section and click on the clean project. It will finish soon. Now our project is clean. So now go and click in the run app to run the app on complete. So it will also take time. So we have to wait. So Finally, as we got the error, so now we will know how to fix this error. So first click on the top where we get the main error. Now copy the all errors in the terminal. Go on the AI code editor, paste in the chat section all errors, whatever you are getting, and copied from the terminal. Below that, right? Fix this error, please. Now let's hit the enter. It will take some time and it will fix the error soon. So it has been fixed the error, guys. So now let's click on the accept all. Now go on the Android tools and we will repeat the same process. First we will click on the main menu, then we will click on the sync project with Gradle file. So it will take some time to build Gradle. The app has been installed successfully in the emulator and now it is going to open. It has been opened successfully. Let's see in the volume. Here you can see that it is the UI of the our music player. Here you can see the music timeline bar, repeat, previous button, next button, and stop and pause button. And here will show the old songs in this area. So we can't test it now in the Android Studio. So now let's move on the my mobile view. This is the app, guys, which is I'm going to install in the mobile phone. Now let's install. It is installing. Now let's click on the open. It is asking for the permission to allow the music player audio. So this is our UI, guys. Here you can see is the all musics listed. Here you can see the bar. Is the repeat mode, extend previous button, pause and stop. Let's click on it. And that's how you build a music player app using Cursor AI. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Gaurix Lab. For more amazing projects, drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy coding.